Just add 1 minute in every wash and see how the power of oxygen works to remove stains. Even better than twice the dose of regular detergent for amazing results. No more overdosing slippers. Help these slippers stay. I will then